welcome to Season 2 Spark edition of Investment Insider, brought to you by Invest Selangor. My name is Cynthia Ng, your host for this series. We are excited to present some of the most notable companies that have made Selangor their home and to find out their secret in staying ahead of the curve despite the challenging economic environment that we are facing today. Now, for this edition, we will be taking a closer look at companies setting the benchmark for industrial parks, driving the growth of high-tech manufacturing in Malaysia. One company that is at the forefront in doing so is none other than UMW Development Sdn Bhd. Joining me on the show is Eric Chew, Director of UMW Development, to talk to us about the company's premier high-value manufacturing park located in Serinda, Selangor. Welcome, Eric. It's great to have you on the show. Eric, we know there is a big push to move Malaysia up the value chain, particularly in the areas of robotics, artificial intelligence, and automation. So let's start with that. How will UMW High Value Manufacturing Park in Serinda help Malaysia achieve its ambitions?
Well, as a group, UMW Group is always supportive of the National Fourth Industrial Revolution's policies, the emphasis of modern manufacturing, high-value manufacturing, advanced manufacturing as well. We, as our industrial park, HVM Park, will provide ready infrastructures platform for manufacturers to set up their processes, the manufacturing facilities in our park, but to cater for next upgrading in their processes.
Now, speaking of upgrading, companies looking to set up in industrial parks nowadays want a place that is not just well managed, but also provides state-of-the-art facilities and a work-conducive environment. How is UMW High Value Manufacturing Park catering to those needs, if you can share with us, Eric?
Well, basically, we have created a new generation of industrial park, which is managed, gated, and guarded with 24-hour security in mind. Okay, this is to create seamless entry for all the vehicles in and out of the whole industrial park. Our guardhouse is equipped with the latest technology, which is the vehicle license plate monitoring. Besides that, we emphasize on sustainability, work-life balance concept in our whole industrial park. It's a very conducive environment that we have created here. Besides that, our main anchor tenant, which is our UMW Tier 1 aerospace manufacturing, the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 and 7000 engines, which is one of the main catalysts for our industrial park. Before that, we also able to offer our tenants such as various processes improvement like cobot capabilities, warehouse solutions, and supply and rental of equipments. Human capital, which we are able, with my team, to connect with all the providers of trainers and etc. for provision of workers in this industrial park. Besides that, our business support units are able to assist linking all the investors with the government agencies and also provision of PMC services to the tenant.
What I'm hearing, Eric, is industrial estates are becoming more of a one-stop supply chain and solutions hub for businesses. Now, some of the key selling points of UMW High Value Manufacturing Park, which have made it very popular among investors, is its accessibility and commitment to go green. Talk to us about that and what are the challenges faced in doing so?
Well, believe me, Cynthia, the whole team, consultant team and the designers, we went through a lot of effort. We went through a lot of benchmarking study of national and international industrial park. For a green concept industrial park, we were faced with challenges such as the surrounding infrastructure in this area, like the last mile connection of roads, fiber optics, gas pipeline. This has affected a lot of our planning. Therefore, we came up with this idea to work with the stakeholders in planning a new concept industrial park and at the same time improving the infrastructure around our development. Today we have connection to the Rawang Bypass Highway, which is scheduled to be completed by end of this year. The last mile connection to Jalan Bukit Beruntong and Sungai Chor is approved by the state government and federal government as well. Fiber optic connection and pipeline are available in this industrial park.
Now, if I may discuss a bit more about your sustainability efforts, as it is becoming more important for businesses seeking to achieve enhanced economic, environmental, and social performance. How is sustainability incorporated in the master plan of UMW High Value Manufacturing Park?
Right. As for sustainability, green environment, our H3M Park, we encourage our investors to go for green building. But otherwise, our whole development is green rated, and also this will promote energy efficient energy and low carbon ratings. Positively, while we are developing in the park, we witness a revival of the surrounding area occupied by small-scale residential development, all in the pipeline. Basically, we are the game changer in this area.
Well, Eric, it appears that you are very confident about knowing what businesses want. We will go for a quick break, but when we come back, we will take a closer look at some of the state-of-the-art facilities in UMW's High Value Manufacturing Park. Stay tuned.
No Objection Letter (NOL) is an approval letter issued by the Selangor State Government before awarding them the manufacturing license. Any company in Selangor that has received letter of manufacturing license approval from MITI or MIDA requires the applicant to obtain an NOL letter. The applicant can apply for the NOL online through www.investselangor.my and follow the steps given in the website.
Welcome back to Investment Insider, brought to you by Invest Selangor. Eric Chew, Director of UMW Development Sdn Bhd, joins me again. Eric, I want to highlight some of the unique features at UMW's High Value Manufacturing Park, namely the flexibility of space and potential for customization when companies buy land in the estate. Talk to us about that, Eric.
Well, our whole development consists of 862 acres, which we have from day one split into two zones, primarily the northern zone and the southern zone. Basically, the southern zone, we have 330 acres, which is divided into four main precincts, all right? Precinct 1, which we the first one to launch back in 2018, has been fully taken out. What we are in now, we are launching Precinct 2 as we speak, which is approximately 91 acres. Which is now you are in serious negotiation with a few very interested tenants. Likewise, in Precinct 3, we have a few interested tenants as well. Last one, our last precinct is Precinct 4, which is catered for the automotive vendors clusters. We have earmarked another precinct for centralized basically workers' accommodation, providing safe and better living conditions for the workers. This is in line with the government initiative and regulation as well. Moving forward, the northern one, we have 550 acres. We are in the midst of replanning the whole master plan on the 550 acres, which will last us for 15 to 20 years in the near future.
Thank you for giving us that insight, Eric. Now, if you can also give us the lay of the land, I understand that the park is divided into the southern and northern zones. What is the progress and uptake for both zones, if you can share with us? And also, what are some of the industries taking up the spaces there?
Well, Cynthia, we are just not many selling land infrastructurally. We have, besides selling land to our investors, we have set up a business support unit, which is responsible in helping our investors and tenants. It's like a one-stop center, right? We will help them to connect them with the relevant agency in setting up the new business, getting the plans approved by the local authorities, and also we are able to offer construction to customize the factory requirements in our park here as well, right? We are able to offer robotics, warehouse solutions, automatic storage and retrieval system, leasing of industrial equipment, purchase industrial equipment. That's one of our core business in UMW as well. As for ready-built factories, we are now in reviewing the market demand. We want to customize our design to cater, right, a new concept, a new development of ready-built factories to cater for the new needs in terms of IR 4.0.
It is great to know the long-term plans in place for the park. However, Eric, with so many uncertainties arising from the pandemic lately, how is UMW Development navigating those disruptions? And if you can talk to us about the role of investment promotion agencies like Invest Selangor in helping you overcome some of the challenges.
Invest Selangor is a state one-stop agency that provides information and advisory services to new and existing overseas investors and local as well. They have assisted in marketing, promoting, initiating, linking overseas investors and local inquiries to us as well. They've been very, very helpful. They also promote UMW High Value Manufacturing Park through the Selangor Aerospace Belt campaign, which our park will champion in manufacturing aircraft components, basically. Invest Selangor also organize regular technical meetings between investors, developers, and stakeholders. This is to facilitate, promote, prompt approval for the investor to set up their manufacturing facilities in our partners. They have been very, very helpful taking initiative in creating this industrial park.
Lastly, Eric, moving forward, how do you see the future of industrial parks and how will UMW Development attract investors to set up their high-value manufacturing operations here?
If you look at the future of industrial park, what we have done is creating a new generation and concept of industrial park, basically, right? Besides getting green rated, gated and guarded and managed industrial park, we're also trying to facilitate in assisting investors to set up a factory in our industrial park. Basically, the future is bright. We have all the platform ready to support any investors to come into our park. It can be local or international, and we can help them to achieve the industrial IoT and also helping the federal government in the National Fourth Industrial Revolution policies. We would like to contribute and assist them whatever we can.
Thank you so much, Eric, for sharing UMW Development's plans with us, and we wish you the best in your ambitions. You have been tuning in to Investment Insider with me, Cynthia. We hope to see you again in the next episode.
Selangor is the most attractive investment destination. Find out how we can assist you at www.investselangor.my. Join us again in the next episode.